Easy. You guys, calm down.
Welcome, sir. Good to have you here in the pub. Of course, this is the final day of the Port Harcourt NPA International. Permit me to welcome the Executive Governor of Rivers State.
See your brother on the house.
Where's my house?
It's in the stable, sir.
I don't know. I'm fine. On fire. Where's your...
Ball, they have to line up properly for him to roll.
Okay. So fellas, I think we should just take a photo shot while the umpire is getting ready. So let's just turn around.
We also have the Vice Chairman, President, also doubling as the tournament chairman, Mr. Henry Agboja. We have the Honorary Secretary, fine man, also is there with you. And of course, past captains, past president of the club. And also we have the president of the Polo Club. Let's go back. Let's get it. Team managers of the respective team that we're about to commence this match this afternoon. Thank you once again, Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Rivers State.
This is my first time of coming to witness an event here. I know that Polo Club is a game for matured mind. Part of our plans to develop sports in this state is to support every facet of the sports unit. There is one major thing about this event. It's an event that brings people from all over the world, or every part of the state. It showcases the safety of our state, and also an opportunity for people to come in and invest properly here. I think for now, it's a gateway to the big Nigerian economy.
Siminalayi Fubara GSSRS. So you're welcome to the Garden City of Port Harcourt.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.